In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the WooCommerce button text. If you're running an online store using WooCommerce, you might want to customize the text on your Add to Cart buttons to better fit your brand or improve user experience. This tutorial will walk you through a simple method to change this text, either globally or for specific product types, locations like the shop or product page, and varying page contexts. First, we'll need to install a plugin that makes this process straightforward. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. From there, click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Add to Cart Text Changer and Customize button, and hit Enter. Once you see the plugin in the search results, go ahead and click the Install Now button. After the installation completes, you'll want to activate the plugin by clicking on the Activate button. This allows the plugin to start working its magic on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, you'll find a new option in your WooCommerce settings. Simply go to WooCommerce and then click on Add to Cart or directly into the plugin settings, depending on your menu setup. This area gives you the control panel for customizing your button text. In the plugin settings, you'll see fields where you can enter your custom button labels. You have the flexibility to change the button text globally, affecting the entire website, or you can narrow it down to specific product types, like simple or variable products. Additionally, you can customize based on where the button appears, differentiating between the shop page and individual product pages. Take a few moments to decide on your labels, type them in, and check their placement options to fit your desired outcome. Once you've entered your new custom labels, proceed by saving your changes. There's typically a Save button towards the bottom of the page, which will apply your changes. After saving, you'll notice that the new text appears immediately across your store, reflecting the tweaks you've made. Sometimes it's a good idea to clear your browser cache if you're not seeing the changes right away, as older versions of the pages may still be loaded. Remember, these small customizations can have a big impact on how your customers interact with your online store, potentially enhancing user experience and even boosting sales. By taking the time to align your site's functionality with your brand voice and style, you're investing in a better shopping experience for your users. That's it for today's guide on changing WooCommerce button text. As always, feedback and questions are welcome. Feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.